Hello everybody. Today we will look about if statements in C language. So if statements execute code based on conditions such as use if, else if and else to create a decision branches in your program. So these are made to for the control flow of the program. So if we want to check if a user is above the age of 18, he can vote or else he cannot. Or you can check if the traffic light is red, we should stop, yellow, we should wait, green, we should go. So these are the programs we can make. These are the basic versions. We use very high level stuff with if statements, but let's just start. So for teaching you if statement, I have two programs for you. First of all is I have a weight converter program for all of you to learn about if else conditions. But before that I will tell you some basics. If else.c. So here is our program. You can see if age greater than equals to 18, you are eligible to vote or otherwise not. So the basic syntax is just like this. If here is a condition, we give it condition, and then we have some curly braces, and if this condition turns out to be true, the code inside these curly braces get executed, and else if the condition is false, the code inside is executed. And there is also another block we can use. So if you want to make a traffic light program, first let me declare a variable char color integer. So if color equals to red, the traffic light, you printf stop. And else if, now this is the use of else if. So else if is what we have to check sometimes a lot of conditions for a particular program we may have. So for that we use else if, and else is the last block of our if else code, and after that we cannot add anything else. So for in the between we use various else ifs, and we can use as much else if as we want. So else if color equals to yellow, printf stop, wait, else printf go. So this is how if else work in C language. So this voting program is a sample program for you, and this is a project I have for you, weight converter.c. Here I included the standard input, the basic syntax, and I first of all declared the variables choice, pounds and kilograms. First I should show you how this program works, and you must code this on your own. This program converts pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds. So let's choose one. Enter the weight in kg. Let's say 95. In pounds it is this much. So you just saw how this program works in real life. So first I took all those variables. I implemented a if choice equals to 1 and did scanfs and converted pounds into kilograms. And it did the same in the second if choice equals to 2, and the results you saw just right now. So you must code this on your own.